The Oxford School Kollam, an internationally reputed boarding-cum-day school where excellence meets opportunity. With strong focus on values and discipline, we shape future leaders with a perfect blend of academics, values, and innovation. Welcome to our boys' hostel, your second home. Special dorm rooms with individual beds. Study rooms with guided tuitions for academic success. 24/7 security with CCTV surveillance. Dedicated physical training sessions. Hands-on learning through agricultural activities. Fish farming program to develop entrepreneurial skills. Swimming pools for fitness and fun. An active lifestyle that nurtures social well-being. Opportunity to develop 20th century skills. Experience holistic development in every aspect of life. Oxford Boys Hostel, more than a place to stay, it's where you grow and thrive.